Dharmesh, I want to take your opinion on the Tata Group stocks, especially Tata Chemicals. Now, the news flow is, and some of the reports indicate that perhaps Tata Sons may not look at listing, but would be mulling restructuring of the balance sheet to get an exemption from RBI's mandate on listing on the exchanges as the upper band NBFC. How would you really look at this space? We're already looking at a 7.8% downtick on Tata Chemicals now, 1210 right now, and the entire group is somehow coming under pressure in the pre-opening space.
This is what happens if you are, playing it out for a news flow, and it's a trade. It was a one-off trade. If the listing would have happened, then this windfall income would have fallen into place, and because of that windfall income, this entire trade was being played out. So now, since there is no clarity is there, and there are ifs and buts attached to it, so the traders will have to face the downside risk as well. So my only, I mean, the recommendation is if you have played it out for the trade, make exit today, cut it out, and whatever profit you are getting, take it off the table. As far as business is concerned, Tata Chemicals was into a dark spot. The soda ash business was not picking up. European business has not been doing well, and that's the story with the entire chemical space on the agrochemical side and the soda ash side. The things are still very slow. So I think valuation wise, the heat up is quite strong. So a meltdown is very much on the cards, just on the listing play. Apart from that, if you look at the businesses of Tata Group, I think Tata Motors stands out. It's a clear cut buy for my end, and the business has been doing well. They have also taken 2% price hike commencing next month, and that should augur well with the tailwind of lower commodity prices playing out along with TCS and Tata Elxsi. So these are the three counters which look fundamentally very strong to me, both on valuation perspective as well as business growth perspective. Apart from that, the others are still a long way to go before good fundamental upside commences. So Tata Chemical trade was there, it has paid out. It's time to take profit and be out of it.
Okay, Akshay, would you take a call on any of the Tata Group firms, and how would you like to trade today?
It's news based, there might be some fluctuations in the first half an hour of trade. So I would wait for the dust to settle, especially in the Tata Group. Especially Tata Power is one stock I would keep a watch on. It's on my buy watch list. A strong long addition in the futures and options space, power sector being in the limelight, and even a buy on dip if you get it around 400 would make it more attractive from a slightly medium term perspective. So in the Tata Group, Tata Power is one technical setup which I would be keen on in participating in the current scenario.